Hey guys, today we'll be going to an abandoned insane asylum. Here it is. And we have to go through this window, climb up, and that's the only way in. And let's see if we can find anything inside. But there are movement sensors and the security will come immediately. And there should be cameras. So it's gonna be pretty risky, but we're gonna take the risk. Okay, so we just got in the building and it's really creepy. And we got up this, and this is the first room. I don't want to talk really loud, just in case. But this building is pretty big.
Can you see the sensors? Sensor.
What?
Upstairs.
Yeah.
Sensor.
There's a sensor? Yeah, there's a sensor right there. Let's look here first. Let's try not to get caught. Whoa.
This is cool.
This is really cool.
I think it's cool. Misty.
Different rocks.
What's misty? It's so creepy actually. There's door.
It's not locked. But I can't open it. Okay. Let's see what else we can find. What?
There's a car there. And people are around this place. So
Yeah, people live around this place. So,
secret sensor.
yeah. Can we go through here without being...
I don't know.
I don't really want security right here.
Yeah.
But... there's a sensor. So, there's a room. There's a hallway. And this is supposed to be the exit. We're not gonna go on the second floor yet, probably.
Oh, this is creepy.
This
Bathroom.
is probably the creepiest.
This is bathroom.
I don't want to go in that bathroom, maybe. Okay, actually, let's go.
See what's going on. And
A spring.
yeah.
There's not any sensors here. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
Yeah, this is
There's not much here.
actually this is not too old. It's like 90s maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't actually know when this place was abandoned, but it's been a while. For sure.
It got red. This is the sensor and it's broken.
Really?
I don't fucking see it at the first time.
That's the sensor.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe it's calling to security or no, but I don't know.
Let's just go.
No? There?
Let's go there.
Why that sensor doesn't work or something?
I don't know, maybe it's broken.
Maybe downstairs. Be careful. It's so huge.
Yeah, it is. Let's go.
That's so fucking creepy.
That's a sensor.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's like, the fuck is this?
Yeah.
This electric.
But that's not flashing. Oh. Shit! Shit! Okay, so sorry we can't put the video any longer because yeah, as you heard, um, probably the security came there and we had to get out of there because we don't actually want to get caught doing that because uh, we might end up in jail for 1 year, and that really wouldn't be pretty good. So we're just gonna leave it at that, and maybe in the future we're gonna try again, but go the other way, the first steps up, which we saw, um, not down the huge corridor. But I really hope you guys actually enjoyed that video. It was a bit short, but we'll try again soon.
Yeah, the trip was very long.
Yeah, it was really
Yeah.
long because we went on bikes and it's like about 25 kilometers there, and back is another 25, which is 50 in total. So yeah, there was a lot of wind outside, and
Babies.
and we were on a BMX, so it
Yeah.
was pretty hard. But maybe we can go there with a car, and it would be a lot easier. But see you guys next time.
Yeah.